Today we're walking around in the Toronto snowstorm, checking about the snowstorm stuff. Thanks. Look at this. Look at that. Usually in Toronto we don't get that many snowstorms, so this is definitely one of the worst ones. There's the thumbnail of the video. Look at that. The snow is definitely in full force this year. Here's the perfect winter car. Mercedes G-Wagon on monoblocks. Look at that. Nice ride there. So, usually the snowplows in the city are pretty good. But this year the snowplows aren't doing anything. This is the richest area. And the only snowplows artists you see are the ones that like the apartments and stuff hire, not the city ones. So this is the area of Yorkville in Toronto. Just a quick little look at all the snow. We're going to end this video in the next block. But the snow is beautiful. It's just very cold and slippery. But anything I can make a video on. So we're going to end it here because it is cold. Thanks for watching.